What's up with the YouTube? It's your boy Montana and I'm back with another video, another vlog, man. But it's nighttime. I waited pretty late to do a video, but this is because I've been handling business and stuff, man, today. I had some stuff planned, it didn't go as I planned it, but you know, anything happens for a reason. But today I'm coming with a video because I got these automotive ambient lights. I got it off of Amazon. Basically it's a light that I can put under my floor, whatever you want to call it. And the lights goes with it changes colors with the beat and all that. You got the remote control to control it. I can also control it off of my phone. I downloaded the app and everything. So yeah, like I said, I got some stuff coming for this car. I'm gonna do some more stuff to the vehicle or whatever. I'm gonna try to have this set up. I'm gonna try to do this setup at night, of course. So it might be kind of hard to see, but I got a light, so I'm guessing that it's not hard to see me right now because of the light. But hopefully this go right. Hopefully I do this right. You know, when I'm doing this for content. I also like the lights. I hooked it up a couple days ago, but I didn't actually install it because I planned on getting another car. Since I'm not getting another car, I'm going on and install it. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the steps. Hopefully I get the steps right because I ain't never done this before. It's my first time doing it. But as y'all can see, it's from my other videos. That was my first time doing a lot of the stuff that I did to the vehicle myself anyway too. So I learn as I go. You know, I try to do a lot of stuff on my own. I don't like spending money, man. You know, I'm cheap. I ain't got no money like that. I ain't no big YouTuber. I work a regular job, you know. I ain't got no money, you know, so I'm gonna just do what I can do. Yeah, I'm gonna get this stuff set up and stuff. And this right here basically, the controller, got the music, the power, and M. I don't know what the M is for. I'm guessing normally the M always stands for manual, so I'm sure, I don't know. But I use this to download it on my phone. I'm gonna plug it up. I know it's ashes and stuff all right there, some mess, man. I know I ain't had the time to clean the car.
Active by night.
Yeah, you see the lights already blinking.
Keep going crazy.
Man. See, already blinking. So yeah, they already blinking and stuff, man. I love the lights. What I think I'm gonna do next, I ain't gonna tell you, I ain't gonna spoil content. I'm gonna worry about this first, but I got a feeling it's gonna look good. over some just so I could hide the wires. May even have to scoot it over a little bit more.
Acting by night? He going crazy.
And that's it. Stuff those wires in. Alright, so the back, I'm gonna put my chopstick. I'm looking for that. Need that. And boom, there you go. And I do got some zip ties. I do got zip ties that I would be using to make this look a little bit cleaner. But right now I'm going on and try to get all of this situated and stuff. Once I get done with it, I'll show you guys. Okay, so I got it installed. Got all the wires in. I kind of don't like that because they're showing, and I wouldn't want it to show, but that wire is kind of short, so I couldn't push it back no further. But as you can see, I got everything, and I got my box. Where's it at? Right here to change the colors. So as I said, that M was for manual. It'll change it from blue. Excuse my floor being dirty too. I'm gonna turn some music on too. See, I can see that it changes. It changes with the beat. But like right now, I got it to where it's just going away. I had the light on, but yeah, it show better with the light off. Okay, I use my boy Trill song. I use this song just so for the copyright purposes, so it won't be no copyright or whatever. But, oh yeah, check it out.
Thanks for coming around and let me see the real you. They say you ain't nobody till they kill you. It be the ones away who really feel you. Ones you trusting with your life gon' try to kill you. Can't be my dog, round road bringing up money. Go ahead and look at someone, let a nigga from it. I ain't no one-on-one, go get the dumping. This is hustling, I need a lower London. I lead, never follow, stand out for 1 feet in. I'm solo in it to the hole, you still can't get in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that's it on that, man. You know what I'm saying? I can turn them off with the button. That's it. So yeah, that was just a quick little install. Just a plug and play. That's all it did. Plug and play. Plug it in. Had all the wires. I hid all the wires through the damn. This the spot that I think I'm. No, that's just my imagination. Plug and play. Plug it in. Tuck the wires. Put it all up. You know, just and keep on going. You know, easy. I think I spent. How much was it on Amazon? Let me check and see. I'm gonna check and see for y'all. See how much it was. Man, it wasn't that much though. You know, pretty sure it was cheap, man. Check and see though. But it's easy though, I promise, man. Like buying this stuff, you would not go wrong. You would not go wrong buying this. What was it? $25.99. $25.99, man. You can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. So $26. It's a well $26 spent. Now I can tell you that. I promise you, it's well $26 spent. You couldn't go wrong buying it. So I would recommend buying it. It's easy. I got the app on my phone. I downloaded the app. Oh man, it's easy. Plug and play. $26. Can't go wrong with it. But that's just something simple that I added to this. But I'm gonna add some more stuff. Obviously, I ain't gonna tell you what it is. I should be having a video with one of my guys too, but he got an idea of what I'm trying to do. So, but yeah, that's it for this video. Something simple. I hope y'all enjoy it. Leave a like, drop a comment, let me know what you think about it. Subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every time I drop a video. You understand me? Yeah, man. But man, do that for me, man. Drop that like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think, man. Alright, but I'm out. Peace.
Thanks for coming around, to let me see the real you. They say you ain't nobody till they kill you. It be the ones away who really feel you. Ones you trustin' with your life gon' try to kill you. Can't be my dog, round hoe bringing no money. Go hit a lick of someone, let a nigga from it. I ain't no hoe, one-on-one, go get the dumping. Nipsey hustlin', I need a Laurel London. I lead, never follow, stand out for 1 feet in. I'm solo in the two, the hole you still can't get in. First fuck up, then you gon' do it again. Born to buy more than the song, we so destined to win. My brother close to me, now that I cut out my friend. No,